Question. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is NAP and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th term numbers is 5:9. Find the value of m. 1 और 31 के बीच में m नंबर्स इंसर्ट किए गए हैं ताकि वे AP में आ जाए। 7वां और m-1वां पद का अनुपात 5:9 है, तो हमें m का मूल्य याद करना है। लेट A1, A2, A3 and am last m numbers have been inserted between 1 and 31. Then 1, A1, A2, A3, m and 31. Last term is 31 are in AP. 31 is m plus 2th. Therefore, T m plus 2 is equal to 31. 10 plus 2 means a plus n minus 1. n is number of term is m plus 2 minus 1 into d is equal to 31. A first term is 1, m plus 1 into d. 31 minus 1 is equal to 30. d is equal to 30 upon m plus 1. Number 1. 7th and ratio of 7th and m minus 1 numbers is 5:1. Means A7 ratio a m minus 1 is equal to 5:9. It is given that A7 ratio a m minus 1 is equal to 5:9 or A7 upon a m minus 1 is equal to 5/9. A7 is 8th term, first term, second term, third, 4, 5, 6, 7th, 8th term, एक ज़्यादा T8. A7 is T8 and am minus 1 is T, एक से एक ज़्यादा Tm. T8 8th term is equal to a plus 7d. mth term is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Value of a is 1. 1 plus 7d upon 1 plus m minus 1 into d by cross multiplication. 5 into 1, 5, 1 plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 9, 1 plus 7d, 5 plus 5m minus 5d is equal to 9 plus 63d. d वाले टर्म में एक साथ लिखा 5m minus 5d minus 63d is equal to 9 minus 5 minus 63 d कॉमन ले लिए 5m minus 68 d is equal to 4. Putting the value of d 30 upon m plus 1. Continued. d के वैल्यू पुट किया, d की वैल्यू 30 अपॉन m प्लस 1. is equal to 4 into 30 is equal to 4 into m plus 1. 5m into 30, 150m. 68 into 30, 2040. 4 into m, 4m, 4 into 1, 4. m वाले टर्म का एक साथ लिखा. 146m, 2044. m is equal to 2044 upon 146. m is equal to कटाने पर आ जाएगा ये 14. आंसर वैल्यू ऑफ m इज 14. क्वेश्चन ए मैन स्टार्ट्स repaying a loan as first installment of rupees 100. If he increases the installment by rupees 5 every month, what amount he will pay in the 30th installment? एक आदमी लोन को पे करना शुरू करता है रुपीज़ 100 से. वह प्रत्येक इंस्टॉलमेंट को 5 रुपया प्रति माह बढ़ा करके पे करता है. तो उसका 30वां इंस्टॉलमेंट क्या होगा? सिंस द इंस्टॉलमेंट इंक्रीजेज बाई रुपीज़ 5 every month, therefore it is AP whose first term is 100 and common difference is 5. First term is 100, that is A is equal to 100 and D is equal to 5. We have to find 38th installment. 38th term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Formula A first term is 100, n number of term 30, D is 5. $245. Answer 38th installment is rupees 245. Question. The difference between any two consecutive interior angles of polygon is 5 degree. किसी बहुभुज के दो लगातार आंतरिक कोणों का अंतर 5 डिग्री है. If the smallest angle is 120 degree, find the number of sides of polygon. यदि सबसे छोटा कोण 120 अंश का है तो हमें बहुभुज के भुजाओं की संख्या ज्ञात करना है. Since the difference between two any consecutive interior angles of polygon is 5 degree, therefore it forms AP. Whose first term A is smallest angle 120 and common difference 5. AP is 120, 125, 130. Last term AN. We know that sum of all interior angles of a polygon is 180 into n minus 2. Let the number of sides of polygon n is number of term and n is number of sides. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 120, and we have to find d is 5. 240 plus 5n minus 5. 5n plus 235. We know that (180) into n minus 2, where n is number of sides. These two must be equal. N by 2, 5n plus 235, 180 n minus 2, n 5n plus 235 equal to 360. 5n square plus 235n is equal to 360n माइनस 720. दोनों को ट्रांसफर कर दिया इधर. माइनस 25n प्लस 720 to 0 dividing by 5. Factorizing, we get n minus 16, n minus 9 equal to 0. N is equal to 16 or 9. Answer: number of sides of polygon equal to 9, because n cannot be equal to 16.